Mastering homonyms. Allusion versus illusion. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to another video in our series on advanced vocabulary, homophones and homonyms. Today, we're going to demystify two commonly confused homonyms, allusion and illusion. Both words sound similar, but they have very different meanings. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use these two words correctly. Let's kick things off with allusion. An allusion is an indirect or passing reference to something, usually a book, a piece of art, a historical event, or a mythical tale. It's a subtle hint or a nod to something else. For instance, you might say, his heroic deeds were an allusion to Hercules, implying that his actions were so great that they reminded you of the mythological hero Hercules. Now, let's move on to allusion. An illusion refers to something that deceives the mind or senses by creating a false or misleading impression of reality. It can be a deceptive appearance or a mistaken perception. An example could be, the oasis in the desert turned out to be an illusion, meaning that what looked like an oasis was just a trick of the eye, a mirage. Now that we've defined both words, let's highlight the differences between allusion and illusion. Remember, allusion is about indirect references. When you allude to something, you're subtly referencing or hinting at it without directly stating it. On the other hand, illusion is about deceptive appearances or perceptions. It's when something appears to be what it isn't, or when you interpret something in a way that differs from its actual reality. To solidify your understanding, try to write a few sentences using both allusion and illusion. Make sure to check that you're using the correct word in the correct context. Remember, practice makes perfect. And there you have it, folks. I hope this video has cleared up any confusion between allusion and illusion. Remember, the key to mastering English is practice and consistency. So, don't stop here, keep exploring and learning. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning content. Until next time, happy learning!